This is a video of the install of a Dynatek Remote Serial Programmer. It is velcroed to the dashboard. The cable runs down below, and you drill 3 1/8 holes for some screws that'll hold the cable. And then you can use these other 3 existing screws and cable holders to route the cable down to the center console. You can loosen these 2 screws here and run the cable underneath the center console, and then bring it out right back here by the transmission lines and bring it up here to the wiring. Connect the Dynatek Serial Programmer to a Dynatek programmable ignition, and yeah, that's how you route it.